Halloween doesn't have to be all about sugar rushes and sticky sweets. I'm here to show you how you can throw a spooky bash that's just as fun, but way healthier. Think low-sugar, plant-based treats that'll impress your mates and keep the kids buzzing for all the right reasons. Let's kick things off with a bit of history. Did you know Halloween's roots go back over 2,000 years to the Celtic festival of Samhain? Back then, folks marked the end of harvest with lanterns, costumes, and, get this, seasonal fruit, seasonal veg. Sweets only crept in much later, so you're actually keeping it old school by swapping out the sugar. Now let's talk snacks. First up, fruit monsters. Grab some green apples, slice them up, build little monster mouths with peanut butter sunflower seeds for teeth. Stick in a strawberry tongue some blueberry eyes. Trust me, they're a hit at any party. For something savory, try roasted pumpkin seeds. Toss them with a bit of olive oil, smoked paprika, sea salt, then roast until crispy. They're crunchy, packed with protein, and perfect for nibbling between ghost stories. If you want a showstopper, make witch's fingers using baby carrots. Just shave one end into a point stick on a sliced almond with a dab of hummus for the fingernail, and you've got a snack that's creepy and good for you. Now, let's not forget about drinks. Instead of fizzy pop, serve Monster Punch. Blend up green grape spinach apple juice for a spooky green smoothie. It looks wild, tastes sweet, and the kids won't even know it's packed with vitamins. And for dessert, how about chocolate-dipped clementine pumpkins? Peel your clementines, dip the bottoms in dark chocolate and top with a little bit of crushed pistachio for a stem. They look adorable and satisfy that chocolate craving without loads of sugar. Hosting a party? Set up a snack-making station. Let the kids build their own monster faces out of fruit veg kids assembling and eating. It's hands-on, keeps them entertained, and gets them to actually eat their greens. Now, that's a Halloween miracle. So, whether you're throwing a bash or just want a healthier treat for trick-or-treaters, these low-sugar, plant-based ideas are proper tasty and just as festive. Halloween can be spooky fun and good for you, all at the same time. Give these a go and let me know your favorite healthy Halloween snack in the comments. Stay spooky, stay healthy, and I'll catch you next time.